Hi guys, here is Ruth again. Well, today we're going to talk about a topic that a lot of people are wondering about, which is what is so important about a lawyer anyways? And what if I can't afford a lawyer? What do I do? Well, let's explore it together, shall we? Here we go! Many of us think about lawyers, we think they're expensive. What do they do anyways? Most of us think that they're not for me. They're only for a few of very wealthy business people that can afford their service. The reality is that we're supposed to have rights in this country, but we have to know how to access those rights to be able to grow our wealth, protect ourselves, and lawyers are the ones who have keys to access the rights. If only a few of them can afford lawyers, then only a few of them can access the rights. And majority of us don't have the access. As you see, our rights actually bundle up into a legal system, and lawyers are trained to access the keys, which are legal documents and legal processes. And the lawyer is the one that can open the door to access the rights. So if they're that important, do we have a right for attorney? Well, under criminal cases, we do. Because that's a constitutional right under 6th Amendment, and in the case of Gideon Wainwright, we have a right to attorney for fair trial. But that is only applies to criminal cases, not civil case or any other situation. So as a regular person that we're not facing criminal charges, do we really care? Why would not having access to attorneys would be great impact to us? How is that really going to affect our daily life? Let me give you an example. For example, if Susan in a coma can't talk to the doctor and she has a right really to appoint her parents to talk to the doctor, but the doctor wouldn't talk to her parents unless she has a living will, a written document, then the doctor would talk to the parents and listen to the parents' directions. So if we're not easy just to ask a lawyer for any question, what do we do? Well, you need to learn your rights, do some research. Like in Susan's case, she learned that she had a right to appoint medical power attorney. Then you got to learn the legal tools to access those rights. In Susan's case, she learned that her tool is actually the living will. And then you got to find the best way to have access to legal tools, that including research online and find specific type of lawyers that fits you. So now you know our rights are so important for us because it affects our lives, our family, and our assets, and our dream, and ability to have a business and doing our jobs. So it affects everything. It's like breathing the air. Oh my God, if we don't know how to access our rights, then we just don't have any rights, even though they said we do. So if lawyers are the keys to our rights, and most of us, can't really afford those high-end lawyers, what do we do? Well, we need to work harder to find other ways and simple ways to access our rights, to find those keys. I'm going to explore more, and when I find out more, I will let you know. Okay? Stay tuned. Next time.